Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. The big day is coming up. Next Friday, April 11th. Curbivore, downtown Los Angeles. We've been doing this event for the past 4 years. A lot of drivers do show up, but this year is going to be a very special one. Why do you ask? That's because my partner in crime from Show Me the Money Club, Chris, is coming from Buffalo. So he's going to be there. I'm going to meet him in person, actually, first time after doing Show Me the Money for 3 years now. I'm going to be there. There is going to be amazing food, free, drinks. It's from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Now you're going to say, how do I get in? Well, you go to eventbrite.com, click on Curbivore, and enter the code Sergio, Sergio 5, to get a ticket just for $5. Trust me, the food and drinks is going to be at least $25 to $30 that you're going to eat. You get a chance to meet a lot of executives. We're going to have a panel for drivers, for the executives to listen to you. We're going to have amazing giveaways. And more importantly, we may be doing some testing, if you guys know what I mean. So, next Friday, Curbivore, April 11th, downtown Los Angeles. Calling out all Los Angeles County, Orange County, Inland Empire, Ventura County drivers. Please get your ticket, show up, meet us. We'll chat, we'll have a great time, we'll share some war stories, we may do some testing, we'll eat some great food, good drinks, all day, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Friday, April 11th. Come join us, please. Me and Chris are looking forward to meeting you all.